Hello, everyone. This is Shanghai Huayan Machinery, which has been committed to the foreign trade of second-hand construction machinery for 15 years. It has hundreds of sets in stock, all of which are sold at low prices, including excavators, bulldozers, graders, road rollers, loaders, and backhoe loaders, covering Carter, Komatsu, Schengen, Hitachi, Duzen, Hyundai, Volvo, Zhugang, Sany, Liagang, and other first-line brands. There are many in stock. Welcome to Contact. Hola todos, aquí esta Shanghai Huayan Machinery. Comprometida con el comercio exterior de maquinaria de construcción de segunda. Mano durante 15 ecos. Con cientos de unidades en stock. Todas vendidas a precios bajos. Incluidas excavadoras, niveladoras, rodillos, cargadoras de excavation, Q-Cubran Carter, Komatsu, Kobelco, Hitachi, Duzen, Hyundai, Volvo, XCMG, Sany, Liagang y otras marcas de primera línea. Hey muchas lugares, bienvenido a Contactor.